Assalamu alaikum. Hi guys, welcome to very first introduction video of the Radiology Fundamentals. I am Enjeela Shafat and you are on the right place if you want to build your knowledge in radiology and radioimaging technology. Hit the red subscribe button and the bell icon to see the first I upload anything. This channel will provide you a huge knowledge about radioimaging technology from the basics. Every student pursuing any course in radiology, whether bachelor's, master's or diploma, can join my channel for the better knowledge about the subject. Few of my basic topics to be discussed here will be the basics of radiology and radiographic equipments, positioning in X-ray, anatomy and physiology, radiographic general procedures, special investigations and much more. For any queries or any questions, confusions, you can DM me on my Instagram ID mentioned below. Plus, I'm going to share the notes with you of each and every topic that I'm going to discuss here. For that too, you can DM me on my Instagram ID. So learn more and better with the fundamentals of radiology. Thank you for watching. Good luck.